What are they trying to hide? Oh, there's one right over there. Let's see what that says. I can't see that one either. Let's check out this one over here. It looks more like mine. That looks exactly like mine. Yeah, it looks like it has a paper in the window here. Alright, let's get this sticker shock. Here we go. Ram 1500. Whoa, Lord have mercy. Alright guys, it's old school. I got a recall on my 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. So this morning I'm heading out that way to I think they said it's just a software update, so we'll see how it goes. But when I get there, I'm kind of curious as to see what the prices look like on these new trucks and things. I want to see if it's as crazy as they are showing on these social media sites. So when I get there, I'm gonna let you guys take a look for yourselves and see what you think about it. All right, I'll talk to you when I get to the dealership. All right guys, I'm out here at the dealership, and I'm going to let them check out the truck and find out what the software update is. But I want to, like I said, I want to see what the prices of the same type of truck is going to be, so I'll let you know. Guys, it's kind of misty out here, so I'm not going to be out here too long. But just drop the truck off, and I'm going to see what the prices of these new Dodge Ram 1500s are. And I'm going to let you see firsthand. Let's see now. This is a SST, whatever the heck that is. I don't even have a paper in the window. What are they trying to hide? Oh, there's one right over there. Let's see what that says. I can't see that one either. Let's check out this one over here. It looks more like mine. That looks exactly like mine. Yeah, it looks like it has a paper in the window here. Alright, let's get this sticker shock. Here we go. Ram 1500. Whoa, Lord have mercy. I know you probably can't see that. But that says $71,115 for the same Dodge Ram. This is a 2025. The base price is $63,880, but their asking price is $71,115. Yeah, folks, look at this. This truck is identical to the truck I have now, which is a 2018, and I think I only paid $48,000 for that truck back in 2018. And this truck is almost twice the price. Even has the running boards on it as I have on mine, the automatic running boards. Interior and everything on it is identical. Unbelievable. Wow. Okay, that's it for now. It's sprinkling out here. I don't want to get my camera wet. All right. See you when I get home, guys. I'll take care. All right, guys. This is the one on the showroom floor. Same truck, Ram 1500. $79,000. Let me repeat that. $79,000 on the showroom floor. Twice what I paid for mine. Incredible. All right, guys, that was quite interesting. Got my truck back. They did, I guess, whatever they needed to do to it, and I had a chance to talk with one of the guys inside that, and I don't believe in putting anybody's name or anything on blast because I don't want anything negative to come from that. But we got to talk about do we believe these prices will ever come down? And he was very frank with me. He said he don't foresee that ever happening because we're at a point in life right now where greed has taken over. And because that greed has taken over, why would you lower your prices back down to where they were? Just as I said, the truck that I'm riding in now, a 2018 Dodge Ram, $48,000 what I told him I paid for it back in 2018 when they first came out. And now, as you see, the trucks are almost the same, identical truck, everything, not too much has changed. $72,000. And I really don't know what to say other than all this is about greed, folks. Let's call it as it is. Who would pay? My first house didn't cost as much as some of these trucks cost today, or cars. And the only solution I see for this is buy the cheapest car you can, used car or whatever, and stop buying all these overpriced vehicles. This is mind-blowing. I really feel for the people who have invested in a dealership and been there year after year buying their product, and now this is how they repay us by doing this. And I realize there's a lot of things, a lot of equations to it as far as the products that it takes to manufacture these vehicles and how high they are. But basically, we got greed all across the board, the entire board, where everybody's trying to become billionaires and trillionaires off our backs. I told the guy before I left out of there, I said, well, I guess I'm going to stop out on the way home after they gave my truck back to me. And I said, I'm probably have to buy a lot of duct tape because the truck I'm in now, if I got to put duct tape on it, that's what's going to happen. I can't see trading in something that's already paid for and getting back in the debt on products that are nowhere near the quality of the products we had in the past. I just flat I can't see it. It makes absolutely no sense. If you have the money right now, I think we need to be stockpiling our money, just like these dealerships are stockpiling all these vehicles that they can't sell, because we don't know what's over the horizon with what's going to happen after January 20th of next year. We have no clue at all what's going to happen. But I have to admit, my blood pressure is still up looking at the price tag on the same identical vehicle that I am driving now. And we're talking about a gas burner. We're not talking about one of these electric vehicles. I've had one of those before, and I guarantee I took it back within a year. Well, within 6 months. We're just not, as far as I'm concerned, we're not ready for those type of vehicles because there are not enough charging stations or none of that. But I'm not gonna ramble on. I just wanted you guys to know and to see for yourself. And I realized some of those tags you probably couldn't read because I had a hard time reading them, but I was able to see the numbers on them. But though that was the actual paper dealer tag price on the vehicle I looked at. You guys stay blessed, stay encouraged, and just keep hanging in there. That's all we can do. With all that being said, this is Old School Wilson. Thank you guys for listening and looking.